Hi there, my name is Heather Hayes and I have the privilege of being the Executive Director of the Orangeville Food Bank. We are located at 25 Centennial Road, Units 5 and 6. We have over 500 individuals in the community using the food bank every month. 40% of those are children, and our highest rising demographic right now is seniors, which makes up about 7% of who comes to the food bank. We have also seen a 50% increase in the amount of working families who use the food bank in the last 6 years. And that means that those are families who indicate employment as their primary source of income. So people often ask us how they can donate to the food bank. So there are lots of ways to donate. So you can take anything that you want to, any non-perishable items, and they can go to your local grocery store, and we have over 75 volunteers here in the community that go out and make those pickups for us. You can also make a financial donation to the food bank, and that allows us to help us cover some operating costs and buy the foods that we're really short of that make such a big difference to people's lives, which is really the perishable food items. And you can do that through our website. And then we also have a fundraiser coming up on February 24th called Coldest Night of the Year. And it is a 2, 5, and 10K family-friendly walk through the community in the evening to help people understand what it might be like to be cold and not have those resources that the rest of us take for granted. So you can access that information about the fundraiser at www.cnoy.org. And the other thing that is so important here at the food bank is when people make those donations, that's what keeps this building going. That's what feeds our neighbors. That's what supports the community. And we can't thank you enough for your generosity. It always warms our hearts and makes the little hairs stand up on the back of your neck for the kind of support that we get. We want to say a huge thank you to the Mayer-Harman team for these lovely gingerbread houses that they donated and the cause that have them coming to us, which was the Build a Gingerbread Man or a gingerbread man in December. It was a huge support to us, and those kinds of activities always give us such a boost here at the food bank. So thank you very much for that community support and all the great things that you do in the community. Thank you.
A huge thank you to Heather and the whole team at the Orangeville Food Bank. Learning more about what you do really puts things into perspective, and the community certainly would not be the same without your efforts. If you'd like to help raise some funds for the Orangeville Food Bank, please do check out the links below and donate some funds so that we can help support the people in our community who need it. If you'd like to help Jason and I, we're going to be doing the Coldest Night of the Year walk on February 24th. And we sure could use your help in raising some funds for the Orangeville Food Bank. So please follow the links below and help us raise the money necessary to support our community.